Hello, my name is Wild. I'm a monkey. Hello, I am a monkey. They call me Wild. I like to hang around and swing from tree to tree. I like to eat bananas. Would you like to join me? The monkey bar's my favorite activity. Reminds me of the jungle, swinging tree to tree. I make funny sounds and throw things around. I walk on all four when I'm on the ground. Hair covers my body, keep me warm and protect my skin from the sun and the swarm. I am a monkey, watch me swing tree to tree and monkey around. Now get up and go, find your monkey town. Goodbye for a while.